Good day, everybody, and welcome to Everything RV by Pat. Today we are looking at installing a second battery in my Open Range Lite 319 RLS. When you look inside the battery compartment, you see that there is only one battery. I've already taken the lid off and moved it out. The lid is covering an Interstate battery. It's a Group 27. Okay, so after a couple of quick measurements, I determined that I can fit two Interstate Group 27 batteries in here. Just a moment and I will get the tools necessary and we'll pull this one out. Alright, so before we start anything, we got to make sure that the house power, the shore power, is off. So I will disconnect that. And now it's just a matter of taking these loose. So we'll start off with the negative. And then the positive. Real important to take the negative off before you start touching the positive, because otherwise the whole trailer is grounded out. And there we are. We are free. Now I can take the battery out, take away this battery box, and I'll go ahead and set this battery right back in and slide it to the front, making sure not to pinch any of the wires. Now the real test. Now we'll see if the second battery will fit without any conflict. Little tab is catching there. And there you have it. Both batteries snug and in place. Taking a good look inside the box, you can see that it's fully vented. That is connected to a tube that runs out to the front side of the RV. It has a hole there that connects to the LP gas box. Also, that is my manual crank for my front landing gear. Here you see the electrical connections, a hard wire to the chassis, and the positive breaker connector there. As you can see, both batteries sitting side by side fit just right. Now I will connect the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative, and then I'll connect these two onto one of the batteries. I bought these jumper cables, jumpers, to reach from one battery to the other. I'm going to connect those. I won't bore you with that, but I'll show it to you when it's finished. And there you have it. Two 27 group batteries, Interstate, hooked in series for 12 volt power, doubling the time that I'm able to stay. Built right into the side of my 319 RLS. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and hope to see you again soon.